The information given on this channel is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Before you do anything in this video or on this channel, please ask a professional. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you insights on personal finance, business strategies, and the journey to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone aiming to hit that impressive $1 million mark. It might sound intimidating, but with the right strategies and mindset, reaching 7 figures is within your grasp. I'll share 13 actionable strategies to accelerate your journey to $1 million. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1, train your mind. First things first, it all starts with mindset. If you want to achieve financial success, you have to think like someone who is already successful. A growth mindset will help you push past challenges and seize opportunities that come your way. Train your mind to be flexible and resilient. Success doesn't come overnight, and having the right mindset helps you navigate the inevitable ups and downs of your journey. Take time every day to focus on personal growth, whether it's through meditation, reading books, or writing down daily affirmations. These small habits will compound over time and lead you toward big successes. Number 2, never stop learning. Number 2 is to never stop learning. The world is constantly changing, and the more knowledge you acquire, the more opportunities you'll see. This isn't just about formal education, it's about continuous self-education. Take online courses, attend workshops, read as many books as possible, and always stay curious. One thing you'll find with millionaires is that they invest in themselves. They're always learning new skills or improving their understanding of different industries. This investment in knowledge often pays off in the form of innovative ideas or solutions to problems. Number 3, winners keep score. Winners keep score. By this, I mean you need to track your progress. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing, you should have a clear picture of where your money is going and how much you're growing. If you aren't measuring, you can't manage. Make sure to set specific financial goals, create a plan to achieve them, and track your progress regularly. If you notice something isn't working, adjust your strategy and try again. Tracking your progress keeps you accountable and motivated. Number 4, get rid of bad debt. Next, focus on getting rid of bad debt. I can't emphasize this enough, high interest debts, like credit card debt, can drain your resources faster than you realize. Before you start seriously investing or saving, make it a priority to pay off those high interest debts. Once you're free from bad debt, you'll have more money to allocate toward investments and savings, pushing you closer to that $1 million goal. Consider consolidating your debt or working with a financial advisor to create a repayment plan that works for you. Number 5, location matters. Another important factor, location. Where you live can have a huge impact on how quickly you can save and invest. The key is finding a place where the cost of living is relatively low, but the earning potential is high. Whether you're moving to a more affordable city, finding remote work opportunities, or relocating to an area with higher salaries, your environment can significantly impact your financial growth. Research cities or regions with strong job markets and lower costs of living. Maximize your earnings while minimizing your expenses. Please subscribe and visit my channel, as there are many valuable videos about investing in cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, or bonds. There are also about making money, being financially free, and managing your money. Thank you so much for this. Number 6, optimize tax strategies. One of the most overlooked ways to save money is optimizing your tax strategy. Taxes are a significant expense, but with the right knowledge, you can reduce your tax burden legally and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Look into tax deductions, credits, and retirement account contributions that can lower your taxable income. Consulting with a tax professional could help you uncover potential savings you didn't even know were available. Number 7, create and sell online courses. Here's one of my favorite strategies, create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a certain area, packaging that knowledge into an online course can generate a steady stream of passive income. Visuals of people recording online course content, tutorials being uploaded to platforms like Teachable or Udemy, and dashboards showing sales and student signups. Think about the skills or knowledge you have that others would be willing to pay for. Whether it's marketing, graphic design, finance, or even cooking, the demand for online learning is massive. Once the course is created, you can earn money from it for years without constant effort. Number 8, learn to code. Learning to code can open up endless possibilities. Whether you want to build apps, create software, or develop websites, coding skills are in high demand and can lead to lucrative business opportunities. Even if you don't become a full-time coder, understanding the basics of programming can help you create digital products or automate processes in your business. Plus, the tech industry is growing exponentially, and being part of it can give you an edge. Number 9. Become a consultant. Another great way to leverage your expertise is by becoming a consultant. Businesses are always looking for experts who can help them solve problems or improve their operations, and they're willing to pay a premium for those services. Whether you're in marketing, finance, HR, or any other field, offering your services as a consultant allows you to make high-ticket earnings for your time and expertise. It's a flexible and scalable way to increase your income. Number 10. Buy and rent homes. Real estate is one of the most tried and true ways to build wealth. By buying homes and renting them out, you create a consistent stream of rental income while your property appreciates in value. Real estate investments can be incredibly rewarding, but it's important to do your research. Look for properties in growing markets, and consider whether you want to handle property management yourself or hire a company to do it for you. It takes less than a second and helps a lot if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also help by sharing my videos with your friends or family. Thank you so much for this. Number 11. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. The key is to diversify your portfolio and invest for the long term. The power of the stock market comes from compound interest and time. Start by investing small amounts and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable with the process. Number 12. Use compound interest. Speaking of compound interest, it's one of the most powerful tools in your financial toolkit. By investing early, your money can grow exponentially over time. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait, get started today. Number 13. Maximize retirement contributions. Last but not least, maximize your retirement contributions. Take full advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs, which allow your investments to grow tax-free or tax-deferred. By contributing as much as possible to these accounts, not only are you setting yourself up for a comfortable retirement, but you're also taking advantage of significant tax benefits. There you have it, 13 powerful strategies to help you reach that $1 million milestone. Remember, there's no single path to success, and everyone's journey will look different. What's important is that you stay consistent, make smart decisions, and keep learning along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. We'll see you next time.